V, rainy days, hi, it's you, it's me, it's you, it's me, it's us, it's them, and blah, 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 blah. Let's go. Love Me Again is amazing. Wait, is that the same hair as Love Me Again? Did he just have like a lot of product in it? Whoa! Bro, shout out Dean Instagram from way back in the day with that kind of fuzzy jazz sound and then the very clear modern bass smacking you in the face. Is the whole album gonna be like this? Because the last song also had this kind of jazzy kickback vibe. Absolutely adore it. And this setting, like, what is going on in that room? Those windows. Are they even windows? Are they actually windows or are they TV screens or something? Take it back. They're real. Guess they're real. I didn't say they were fake. I asked if they were fake. I didn't say they were fake. Vintage. Everything is so vintage. I've been on my own, maybe. Isn't it? Haven't changed, it's still the same. 무섭지만 어디 다시 Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah. The dog's cute, but I mean, if I was gonna pick any dog, that would not be the dog. I like that better than a poodle. If I'm gonna have a small dog, I would like a short-haired dog. But I don't have any dogs. I had a dog growing up, but never since then. It's a lot of responsibility, man. I mean, maybe I'm old enough and mature enough to handle it, but probably not. But like, I love animals so much that if I got a dog, there's no way I could give it away. It'd be like impossible. So if I get a dog, I'm gonna keep it its whole life, and that's just too much of, you know, commitment, I guess. Keeping the dog forever is not the big commitment. It's taking care of the dog forever. That's the commitment. What's he working out on the paper? You can't tell. What is that? Are those forecasts? No. I don't know what that is. What is that? Find a way right back to you. A rainy days like rain. How to find a way right back to you. A rainy days like. Man, how it's all cut together. The actual, somehow the clips of him feel old, but they're not old, they're new. And the bass sounds crisp and clear and new, but then the track sounds old, like old ragtime from the 30s or 40s. Can I admit something? I'm trying to like find something articulate and intelligent to say.
I mean, really, I just enjoy the song. I'm just enjoying it, and I'm like, I should be saying something here. You wouldn't know it, but I learned cool ways to edit out pauses. And now that I've been editing out some pauses, now I'm thinking, well, fuck it, leave them in.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most.
Hey!
내가 이런 말할 자격 없어. We can start again, open up.
Dude, he looks so different with the glasses. I guess we're having a peek into his future as like 45-year-old Tay.
Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's
Voyager?
lost. We can start again, open all the.
Does it say Voyager? No, it says layover. V for layover?
Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel you. And I miss you. Rainy days.
Is he painting with a breadstick?
I'm thinking about you. Right back to you. Rainy days like rainy days. I'm thinking about you. Way right back to you. Rainy days like.
It's really interesting using the iPhone sounds as they're cutting the visuals, or even the transitions on the screen, which they did at the very beginning of the video. I really do love the song, but I'm also feeling like extremely, extremely antsy. We can just sit here in awkward silence for like the next, I don't know how long. How long's left in this song? 12 seconds? I mean, we still have to listen to the 12 seconds of the song. Just let's go. Maybe. Oh, it's over. That's it, it's done. I'm so confused. Not about this song. About a lot of other stuff. I don't even know where I'm gonna put this video. I don't know. I just don't know. Doesn't matter. Does it? Hey, it's me. Sorry, I mean, that's you and me. But I'm like, oh, it's another thing.